Hello guys, welcome to Clarity for Sure and welcome to another session of SIDBI examination 2025. So in this session we'll cover a very important topic that is very relevant for your SIDBI syllabus, and that topic is important MSME committees, right? And this is a very important topic as far as your SIDBI's examination is concerned. And as you all know, there is very few days left as far as phase 1 of the SIDBI examination is concerned. So we'll cover this topic in a very detailed manner, right? So let's start the session here. So our first committee is, as you can see here, our first committee is Nayak committee, right? PR Nayak committee. 1991 is the established formation date of the committee, right? And the chairperson was PR Nayak, Deputy Governor of RBI, former Deputy Governor of RBI, right? So this topic was also covered in our previous sessions as well. You can go through that video. PR Nayak committee recommendation regarding the working capital, right? And the context was credit gap assessment for MSMEs, right? And major recommendation was working capital. Working capital, what is working capital? Working capital is the requirement of capital which the businesses need to operate its business in daily manner, right? So working capital is in the formula. The major recommendation which was given by this committee regarding the working capital was working capital is equal to 20% of projected turnover method, right? So working capital requirement of a company is 20% of projected turnover of the company, which means if the projected turnover of the company is 100 lakhs, the working capital requirement of the company will be 20 lakh, right? That is 20% of the turnover, and this is also called turnover method, right? Turnover method. And among this 20 lakh, 80% will be financed by the banks and the rest 20% will be self-financed by the promoter itself. This was all about the major recommendation of PR Nayak committees on working capital, right? And it also recommended timely and advocate credit for MSMEs. Working capital financing norms was the unique focus of this committee, right? Our next committee is Abid Hussain committee, and it was formed in the year 1997. Chairperson was obviously Abid Hussain, and it was, the context was SSI competitiveness, small scale industries competitiveness. Major recommendation includes policy deregulation, technology upgrade and globalization support, right? And the major unique focus was competitiveness, liberalization and de-reservation of items which was reserved then for the small scale industry, which should be de-reserved for the other large scale industries as well, right, to enhance competitiveness among the industries. This was the major recommendation given by Abid Hussain committee. And this year is also very important. Which year, in which year this committee was formed? It was formed in the year 1997. Clear? Our next committee is SP Gupta committee, which was formed in the year 2001. Dr. SP Gupta was the chairperson of this committee. Context was Planning Commission Task Force, and major recommendation given by this committee was cluster based MSME development, to develop cluster based MSME development based on the geographical location, right? Infrastructure strengthening, cluster model for MSME growth, independent national body for MSME. This was recommended, this was the major recommendation which was given by SP Gupta committee to form an independent national body for MSME sector, right? Our next committee is PM's Task Force on MSME. This was formed in the year 2010. TK A. Nair was the chairperson of the committee, right? And the context was comprehensive MSME growth strategy. Major recommendation includes cluster development, same as given by the SP Gupta committee as well, simplified credit norms, there should be simplification of credit norms, faster delayed payment settlement, there should be environment for faster delayed payment settlement, larger role for SIDBI, right. Unique features where is national level MSME roadmap and revision of PSL, that is priority sector lending, which was then back in the 2010 era, right, to revise the PSL, that is priority sector lending. This was among the major recommendation given by the PM's task force on MSME, that is TKA Nair committee, right. Next is R Gandhi committee. This is also very important, and this was already been covered in our sessions as well, SIDBI course as well. You can go through this committees in the portal as well. So this committee was formed in the year 2015, and this is a very important committee. R Gandhi, Deputy Governor of RBI, right. Receivable financing was the main context of this committee. Set up trades. This committee is recommended to set up trade, that is trade receivable discounting system, which is regulated by RBI, and this is basically electronic marketplace where MSMEs companies can sell their receivable, right, that is receivable, that is invoices, right, invoices through e-auction mode, right, through e-auction mode. So that is all about trades, and this committee only recommended to set up the trade, that is trade receivable discounting system, encourage MSME invoice financing, right. And what was the unique recommendation of this committee? Receivable financing via trades, right. Next is our Prabhat Kumar committee, which was formed in the year 2017, right. Chairperson was obviously Prabhat Kumar. This committee's context was MSME policy draft. This committee recommended national MSME policy framework, sustainability and competitiveness, to enhance sustainability and competitiveness, ease of doing businesses, First draft of MSME policies, right. This was all about Prabhat Kumar committee, that this committee recommended the first draft of MSME policy, recommended simplification, which led to UAM, that is Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum, right, which we called now as Udyam portal, right, Udyam portal. So this committee's recommendation only led to the formation of UAM, and which later on known as Udyog portal, right, Udyam portal, through which the any MSME company can register itself and get the Udyam certificate, right. So that was all about Prabhat Kumar committee. Now coming to the UK Sinha committee, which was formed in the year 2019, and he was ex-SEBI chief, right. RBI expert committee on MSMEs. This committee's recommendation is also very important for your examination, and this committee's recommendation has been also covered in our SIDBI's course as well. You can go through this that lecture in the dashboard also, right. So UK Sinha committee context was RBI expert committee on MSME, and what major recommendation this committee has been given? 5,000 crore distressed asset fund, right, asset fund, and 10,000 crore fund of funds, and also given that to double collateral free loan limit, which was then 10 lakh, which should be revised to 20 lakhs, right. जो अभी पिक्चर में आई है कि उसे रिवाइज करके 20 lakhs कर दिया गया, बट वो रिकमेंडेशन दी गई थी 2019 में ही बाय द यूके सिन्हा कमिटी टू रिवाइज द कोलैटरल फ्री लोन लिमिट to 10 lakh to 20 lakh, right, for the MSME sector and self-help group as well, self-help group as well. Strengthen trades, digital invoice upload, amend MSME Development Act. These were among the recommendation of UK Sinha committee, right? Strengthen trades. So it is a very potential question, which committees have recommended the strengthening of trades. So it was UK Sinha committee who only recommended the strengthening of trades, but originally it was recommended by whom? It was recommended by the R. Gandhi committee. As you can see here, R. Gandhi committee in 2015 recommended about the trades, not the UK Sinha committee. It only recommended to strengthen and digitalization and wider adoption of trades, right? So this committee's recommendation was also very important. Our next committee is KV Kamanth committee, right, and it was formed in the year 2020. He was ex-ICICI chairman. COVID loan reconstructing framework was the context of this committee formation. Let's see what was the major recommendation given by this committee. Reconstructing norms for 26 sectors, that includes MSMEs. 5 key financial ratios parameters for reconstruction has been given by this committee, and those parameters are total debt to adjusted net worth, right, TOL by adjusted net worth, total debt to EBITDA, TD by EBITDA, current ratio, debt service coverage ratio, average debt service coverage ratio, that is ADSCR, right. These were the parameters given by this particular committee as far as the reconstructing is concerned, right. And what was the unique recommendation of this committee? Crisis driven reconstructing norms, these were the parameters, 5 key parameters for the restructuring. Okay? And next is YH Mallegam committee, right. This committee was formed in the year 2011. YH Mallegam was the chairperson of this committee. RBI MFI review, माइक्रो फाइनेंस के लिए ये कमेटी बनाई गई थी, रेगुलेशन ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, प्राइसिंग एंड लेंडिंग नॉर्म्स, borrower protection, to enhance borrower protection were some of the recommendation of this YH Mallegam committee. Microfinance regulation was the main objective to form this particular committee, right. So that's it for the committee. As hope you like the committee session. Now we will cover our MCQs related to the committee, right. We will solve some of the MCQs related to our committees, whatever we saw in our previous slide, right. Our first question is, which committee first recommended the setting up the trade receivable discounting system? As I said, for MSME, this must be a very important and potential question for your SIDBI examination. Which committee first recommended the setting up the trade receivable discounting system, that is trades for MSME? Options are UK Sinha committee, Prabhat Kumar committee, R Gandhi committee, Nayak committee or Abid Hussain committee. Who recommended this as far as the trades, that is trade receivable discounting system for MSME is concerned? Tell me the answer in the comment section. Which committee first recommended the trades platform, to set up the trades platform? It was UK Sinha committee or R Gandhi committee? It was R Gandhi committee, option number C. R Gandhi committee, as you can see here, right, R Gandhi committee, yeah, in 2015 recommended to set up the trades platform, and later on the UK Sinha committee only recommended to strengthen and digitalize this particular, that is trades platform, not recommended the establishment of the trades platform, because it has been already done by the RK sorry, R Gandhi committee. So option number C is our correct answer, R Gandhi committee, right? Our next question is, the Nayak committee 1991 is best known for recommending which of the following norms? Nayak committees which we saw in our committee session, right? So which among this is best known for the recommendation of which of the following norms? मतलब नायक कमेटी के द्वारा जो रिकमेंडेशन दी गई थी वो इनमें से कौन थी? ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए, वर्किंग कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू 25% ऑफ नेट सेल्स, वर्किंग कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू 20% ऑफ प्रोजेक्टेड टर्नओवर, कोलैटरल फ्री लोन्स अप टू 20 लाख, एमएसएमई फंड ऑफ फंड, सेटिंग अप सिडबी। ये किसके द्वारा रिकमेंड की गई थी? मतलब पीआर नायक कमेटी के द्वारा इनमें से कौन से रिकमेंडेशन दी गई थी? Which option is the correct option? You guys tell me in the comment section. Was it working capital, this formula, working capital is equal to 25% of net sales, or working capital is equal to 20% of projected turnover? It was working capital is equal to 20% of projected turnover. This was the major recommendation given by the PR नायक कमेटी, राइट? मतलब वर्किंग कैपिटल आपका 100 लाख है, 100 lakhs है, तो उसमें से जो है 20% दैट विल बी 20 लाख विल बी द वर्किंग कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द कंपनी, राइट? एज यू कैन सी हियर, वेयर इज द PR नायक कमेटी? Our first committee was only Nayak committee, right? And it has recommended 20% of projected turnover method is equal to working capital. Clear है? So option number B is our correct answer, right? Our next question is, which committee recommended the national MSME policy framework and proposed simplification of MSME registration which leads to UAM, right? UAM, that later on known as Udyam portal. Which committee recommended? UK Sinha committee, Prabhat Kumar committee, Abid Hussain committee, R Ramakrishna committee or Malegam committee? Who of the above recommended the MSME simplification of MSME registration and national MSME policy framework? These are our 5 options. You guys tell me the correct answer of this question in the comment section. Who recommended about the simplification of MSME registration? अभी हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा, ठीक है, प्रभात कुमार कमेटी द्वारा 2017 में जो है रिकमेंडेशन दी गई थी टू फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट ऑफ एमएसएमई पॉलिसी। एमएसएमई पॉलिसी को ड्राफ्ट करने के लिए रिकमेंडेशन सिंप्लीफिकेशन विच लेड टू यूएएम, दैट इज लेटर नोन एज उद्यम पोर्टल। किनके द्वारा था ये रिकमेंडेशन? प्रभात कुमार कमेटी, राइट? प्रभात कुमार कमेटी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। दिस इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, प्रभात कुमार कमेटी। क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। द यूके सिन्हा कमेटी इन 2019 डिड नॉट रिकमेंडेड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? मतलब यूके सिन्हा कमेटी 2019 में जो फॉर्म की गई थी वो इनमें से कौन सी रिकमेंडेशन, उनकी रिकमेंडेशन में से इनमें से कौन सी रिकमेंडेशन शामिल नहीं है? दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन। ऑप्शंस आर सेटिंग अप अ 5000 करोड़ डिस्ट्रेस्ड स्टेट एसेट फंड, strengthening trades adoption, fund of funds worth rupees 10,000 crore for MSME, 20% of turnover method for working capital और increasing collateral free loan limit to 20 लाख। जो पहले 10 लाख हुआ करता था उसे रिवाइज करके 20 लाख कर दिया जाए फॉर द MSME सेक्टर एंड सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप एज वेल। तो इनमें से कौन सी रिकमेंडेशन यूके सिन्हा कमेटी ने रिकमेंड नहीं की थी? बहुत इजी है ये, ठीक है। 20% of turnover method for working capital which was recommended by PR Nayak कमिटी, नॉट यूके सिन्हा कमिटी। यूके सिन्हा कमिटी ने क्या रिकमेंड की थी? यूके सिन्हा कमिटी ने रिकमेंड की थी 5000 सीआर डिस्ट्रेस्ड एसेट फंड, 10,000 सीआर फंड ऑफ फंड्स, डबल कोलेटरल फ्री लोन लिमिट जो कि 10 लाख हुआ करता था उसे रिवाइज करके 20 लाख कर दिया जाए जो अभी हुआ है, ठीक है। एंड स्ट्रेंथनिंग ट्रेड्स, डिजिटल इनवॉइस अपलोड एंड अमेंड MSME डेवलपमेंट एक्ट, दीज वर अमंग द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ यूके सिन्हा कमिटी। और जो 20% टर्नओवर मेथड की बात कर रही जा रही है वो ऑब्वियसली PR नायक के द्वारा की गई थी। सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं हम लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच कमिटी वाज कंस्टिट्यूटेड इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ COVID-19 लोन रिकंस्ट्रक्टिंग एंड रिकमेंडेड 5 की फाइनेंशियल रेशियो? किसने 5 की फाइनेंशियल रेशियो रिकमेंड की थी एंड विच वाज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ COVID-19 लोन रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग एंड रिकमेंडेड 5 की फाइनेंशियल रेशियो? कौन सी कमेटी थी वो? ऑप्शंस आर प्रभात कुमार कमेटी, आबिद हुसैन कमेटी, केवी कमात कमेटी, यूके सिन्हा कमेटी और SP गुप्ता कमेटी। कौन सी कमेटी को COVID-19 के बाद फॉर्म किया गया था? अभी हमने पढ़ा 2 मिनट पहले। कौन सी कमेटी थी वो? टेल मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स कि इसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट आंसर होगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का। वाज इट प्रभात कुमार कमेटी, आबिद हुसैन कमेटी, केवी कमत कमेटी, यूके सिन्हा कमेटी और SP गुप्ता कमेटी? हमने अभी देखा यहाँ पे केवी कमात कमेटी 2020 में जिसकी फॉर्मेशन की गई थी कोविड लोन रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग फ्रेमवर्क के लिए, ठीक है। एंड दीज वेर द 5 की पैरामीटर्स गिवन बाय द केवी कमात कमिटी as far as the restructuring of the loan is concerned, right? So this committee was formed in the year 2020. कमिटी का नाम क्या है? क्लियर है यहाँ पे, केवी कमात कमिटी, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन हमारा यही था कि विच कमिटी वाज कंस्टिट्यूटेड इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ COVID-19 लोन रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग एंड रिकमेंडेड 5 की फाइनेंशियल रेशियोज? केवी कमात कमिटी। क्लियर है। नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं हम लोग, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं विच इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। Which committee recommended cluster-based development of MSME and was associated with planning commission? इनमें से कौन सी कमिटी ने क्लस्टर बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ MSMEs की बात की थी एंड वाज एसोसिएटेड विद द प्लानिंग कमीशन एज वेल? राइट, ऑप्शंस आर प्रभात कुमार कमिटी, आबिद हुसैन कमिटी, SP गुप्ता कमिटी, यूके सिन्हा कमिटी और TKA नायर टास्क फोर्स। Which were the committee which recommended the cluster based development of MSMEs? ये है आपका क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू टेल मी द करेक्ट आंसर। कौन सी कमिटी थी? याद है या दिलाऊं? कौन सी कमिटी थी क्लस्टर बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट की बात की थी जिसने? यहाँ पे देखिए क्लस्टर डेवलपमेंट, ठीक है, क्लस्टर बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट इसने मतलब लेटर ऑन PM टास्क फोर्स ऑन MSME ने भी रिकमेंड की थी, बट बिफोर दैट SP गुप्ता कमिटी हैज ऑलरेडी रिकमेंडेड दिस इन द बैक इन द ईयर 2001। सो टेक्निकली इसका आंसर होगा SP गुप्ता कमिटी। क्लस्टर बेस्ड MSME development, cluster model of MSME growth, this was the unique recommendation of this committee. SP Gupta committee is our correct answer. Question number 6, option number C is our correct answer, not TKA Nair task force, because this committee's recommendation, although मतलब ये भी इसमें शामिल था cluster based development of MSME, but टेक्निकली उससे पहला जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन दिया था, जो रिकमेंड की थी, वो कमिटी थी SP गुप्ता कमिटी, राइट। सो ऑप्शन नंबर C इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे चलते, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिकमेंडेशंस इज करेक्टली मैच? ठीक है, इनमें से कौन सा कमिटी और उसका रिकमेंडेशन जो है करेक्टली मैच कर रहा है, दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन। आबिद हुसैन कमिटी कोलेटरल फ्री लोन्स अप टू 20 लाख, आर गांधी कमिटी ट्रेड सेटअप, प्रभात कुमार कमिटी फंड ऑफ फंड्स ऑफ 10,000 CR, केवी कमात कमिटी MSME डेफिनेशन रिफॉर्म, नायक कमिटी डिस्ट्रेस्ड एसेट फंड ऑफ 5,000 CR। ठीक है, तो आपको कोई इनमें से एक भी आ रहा होगा तो आप क्लियर उसको कर पाएंगे कि ये तो गलत है। ये चारों जो है ये चारों रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि PR नायक कमिटी विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्टली मैच पूछा है। ठीक है, करेक्टली मैच पूछा है, तो मैच्ड हम लोग खोजेंगे इसमें कौन सा करेक्टली मैच्ड है। नायक कमेटी जो है उसने रिकमेंड की थी वर्किंग कैपिटल के बारे में। ठीक है, वर्किंग कैपिटल के बारे में, तो ये तो गलत हो गया हमारा। ठीक है, केवी कमेटी MSME डेफिनेशन रिफॉर्म, ये भी गलत है। प्रभात कुमार रिकमेंड कमेटी फंड ऑफ फंड्स ऑफ 10,000 CR, ये भी गलत है। आबिद हुसैन कमेटी कोलेटरल फ्री लोन्स अप टू 20 लाख, ये भी गलत है। करेक्ट क्या है, आर गांधी कमेटी जिसने ट्रेड सेटअप की बात की थी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ठीक है, वर्किंग कैपिटल नॉर्म्स, आर गांधी कमेटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का जस्ट अ सेकेंड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का आंसर चेक करते हैं हम लोग। एग्जैक्टली आर गांधी कमेटी ट्रेड्स सेटअप, जिसने पहली बार रिकमेंड की थी टू सेटअप ट्रेड्स, राइट, ट्रेड्स, एंड विच वाज लेटर ऑन recommended by UK Sinha committee as well to strengthen the trades, right? So option number C is our correct answer. Option number C, sorry, option number B, R Gandhi committee trade setup। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 7 का ऑप्शन नंबर बी, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चन था बट स्टिल क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे चलते हैं। विच कमिटी टास्क फोर्स रिकमेंड a greater role of SIDBI in MSME financing and cluster development? इनमें से कौन सा कमिटी या टास्क फोर्स ने रिकमेंड की थी ग्रेटर रोल ऑफ SIDBI in MSME financing and cluster development as well? किसने की थी, आपको याद होगा, अभी मैंने बताया थोड़ी देर पहले। क्लस्टर डेवलपमेंट की भी बात की थी और किसकी बात की थी, ग्रेटर रोल ऑफ SIDBI in MSME फाइनेंसिंग। ठीक है, ये दो चीजों की जो रिकमेंडेशन दी थी वो कौन सी कमिटी या टास्क फोर्स ने दी थी, TKA नायर प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स टास्क फोर्स कमिटी, राइट। एज यू कैन सी हियर, लेट अस चेक द आंसर फर्स्ट। TKA नायर प्राइम मिनिस्टर टास्क फोर्स, ठीक है, उससे पहले जो है एक कमिटी ने और इस बारे में बात की थी, किस बारे में, ग्रेटर रोल ऑफ SIDBI एंड क्लस्टर डेवलपमेंट, क्लस्टर डेवलपमेंट की बात की थी। बट लेटर ऑन TKA नायर प्राइम मिनिस्टर टास्क फोर्स ने भी सेम रिकमेंडेशन दी। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का जो आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज TKA नायर प्राइम मिनिस्टर टास्क फोर्स, राइट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे चलते हैं। द मालेगाम कमिटी 2021 was primarily concerned with which area of MSME financing? Malagam committee was primarily concerned with which area of MSME financing? Option number A, restructuring of MSME loans during COVID-19, receivable financing through trades, regulation of microfinance institutions, or simplification of MSME registration or MSME fund of funds। इनमें से किनसे रिलेटेड है मालेगाम कमिटी जो 2011 में आई थी, वो रिलेटेड है रेगुलेशन ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, ऑप्शन नंबर सी। एज यू कैन सी हियर, इसका भी आंसर चेक कर लेते हैं हम लोग। रेगुलेशन ऑफ माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, ऑप्शन नंबर सी। 9 का आंसर क्या होगा, ऑप्शन नंबर सी, जिसने रिकमेंड की थी टू रेगुलाइज द माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, राइट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, मैच द फॉलोइंग करेक्टली. नायक कमिटी MSME फ्रेमवर्क, प्रभात कुमार कमेटी ट्रेड्स, आर गांधी कमेटी वर्किंग कैपिटल नॉर्म्स, यूके सिन्हा कमेटी डिस्ट्रेस्ड एसेट फंड. तो इनमें से कौन सी कमेटी ने कौन सा रिकमेंडेशन दी थी, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इसे आप मैच कर दीजिए. एंड हेयर इज योर ऑप्शंस, एंड you have to tell me the correct answer of this particular question number 10 in the comment section. I leave it to you. You guys tell me the correct answer of this question number 10. And that's it for the session. That's it for the video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well for daily updates. Thank you so much.